All right, I'll make this short as sweet as I can. 2014 Subaru Forester. This piston broke, if you can believe that. It snapped off. It snapped off as I was closing the trunk at work, and it made it almost impossible to close the trunk. I had to snap the back off. So let's see if I can. I ordered an OEM part, and let's see how this works over here. I'm just gonna copy from the other one. All right, so this looks like this goes. This thing's on the bottom over here. All right. So I'll put this on, then I'll show you what's going on. 1, 2. All right. So you got a couple of screws over there. Take my little socket wrench. All right, so there's one, there's two fairly tight, and I'm not going to put any kind of locking stuff in there. I don't think there was any. All right, then there's a ball that looks like this that was attached up here. So let's see. I took the trim piece off. Just open this. I guess this goes kind of like that. Let's see. All right, so here's where it goes right there. Of course, I can't hold the light and the camera and this little piece, but we'll give it a try. Now, here's the thing. I see there's a little place to snug this up with a wrench over here. See that? It's a little hexagon or a little whatever, octagon. So I probably should get there, good. We'll just snug it up a little bit. All right, that's it. That's not going anyplace. Of course, I still can't freaking see. All right, I've got this clamping mechanism to try to clamp this, and it's just way a waste. Just take it off and put it on the floor. Oh, it would be good to go. So, let me see how you lie it, like right here. If you're gonna catch anything. All right, let's put this so I can see. All right, hopefully this is gonna snap right in. Let's see. There. Lift that up. Come on, baby, snapping. There we go. It snapped in. It snapped in and it's holding it. All right, that was pretty awesome. All right, so it snapped in. It's holding it up. All right, should I try to close it? All right, that's perfect. All right, actually nothing like the OEM part. Sounds cheesy. It sounds cheesy, but that actually worked out really well. Let's see. All right, so that was an actual easy, even though I made it look quite crappy, it was actually a very easy fix.